Chapter 2, Polynomials. Exercise 2.5, Factorization of algebraic identities. Continue with question number 13. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, prove करना है x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This you have to prove it. Now the relation is given to you, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Take this relation given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Take any one variable that side. कोई भी एक को उधर ले जाते हैं, अपन z को इधर ले जाते हैं. So what is the equation? X plus y is equal to minus z. Here you see that all are in cube, so we will cube it. Cube the above equation on both sides. Cube above the equation both sides, we get x plus y का cube minus z का cube. Now you know the identity of x plus y plus z whole cube. See here, the identity is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. X plus y is equal to minus z. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा minus z cube because power is odd. Now instead of x plus y plus z, x plus y, you can put x plus y जगह क्या रख सकते हैं minus z. So put it here, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy minus z is equal to minus z cube. Now transpose this minus z cube to this side and this is to इसको उधर ले जाइए, इसको उधर ले आइए. तो x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This you have to do. Question number 14. Without actual calculating cubes, डायरेक्ट नहीं करना है, calculating cubes using identity. See the first part, minus 12 का cube plus 7 का cube plus 5 का cube. You have to calculate without cube it using the identity. You see here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to what? 3xyz. You know this identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0 हो तो ये क्या होता है 3xyz. इधर x की जगह क्या है -12, y की जगह 7, z की जगह 5. Now plus it, x plus y plus z, it means 12. X की जगह -12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to -12 plus 12 is equal to 0. It means x plus y plus z is equal to 0. तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं 3xyz. What is 3? What is x? -12. What is y? 7. What is z? 5. You see that. What is the answer? See here, 12 5 is 60. 60 into 21. 60 into 21 यानी कि 6 minus 1260 is the answer. In this way you can do the cubes question without calculating the cube. Now one more question I will do, that is question number 15. See here, giving the possible expression for length and breadth for each of the rectangles in which area is given to you. Area is given to you. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. You have to find length and breadth. It is quadratic equation, so we have to split it. What is the product? Product is 12 into 25. Coefficient of a is square into constant term. Now 12 into 25 is 300. Product is 300 and middle term m is minus 35. You have to split 300 to get minus 35. 15 into 20 minus 15 minus 20 is minus 35, minus 15 into minus 20 is plus 300. So instead of this you can write 25a square minus 35a minus 20a, minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Now you can take common 5a, you can take common, so it becomes 5a minus 4a minus 4, a comes out, minus 3 common, 5a, sign will change because minus outside the bracket, it is 4, so 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3 is the answer. Now I will do 16th second part. 16th second part. You take one is length and one is breadth. Now 16, which are the following expressions for the dimension of cuboids? So volume is given to you, here volume is given to you 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20k. First you take out common. What is common in this? 12, एक तो k common है and other is 12, 8, 20. तो 4k is common. 3y square, 4k common आ गया, 3k 12 का मल्टीपल होता है 3 into 4, 4 comes out, 3 inside, 4 into 2, 4 outside, plus 2y minus 5, k is also outside the bracket. So what is the product here? 3 into minus 5, minus 15, and middle term is 2. So you have to do factor of minus 15, 3 5s are 15, minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, minus 5 and minus 3. Middle term is 2. This is the factor. 5 minus 3 is 2, positive. So we can write 4k 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Now take out common. You take y common. So it is 3y plus 5. Now minus 1 common, because minus minus, so I take minus 1 common. It is 3y plus 5. Now 3y plus 5 is again common and remaining in the brackets. So this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Questions from NCERT examiner. Question 1. You can see that if x plus y is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 27, find the value of x cube plus y cube. See here, find the value of x cube plus y cube. See here, it is which identity? Cube identity. We know that x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. This is the formula of x plus y whole cube. What is x plus y whole cube is given to you 12 का cube. X cube plus y cube we have to find out. What is xy? Xy is 3 into 27 and what is x plus y? Into 12. So what you do, take this term to left hand side and sign will change. Plus का क्या हो जाएगा? Minus. So 12 का cube minus 3 into 27 into 12 is equal to x cube plus y cube. Now see here, take out 12 common. In this term 12, in here 12. Take out 12 common. It is 12 का square minus 3 into 27 is equal to x cube plus y cube. Now see, 12 का square is 144 minus 3 into 27, 3 7 get 21 and 6 minus 81 is equal to x cube plus y cube. Now subtract it, you will get 12 into 4 में से 1 गया 3 and 63 is x cube plus y cube. Now you have to multiply 63 into 12, 6, 12, 3, 1, 6, 5 and 7. 756 is equal to x cube plus y cube. This is the answer. Very easy. X plus y is given to x, y is given to x cube and y cube. Here we can see it is cube, so we will apply the identity of cube and putting the values you can find the answer. Now I will take one more question of this. Question 2 from NCERT. Without finding cubes, factorize it. Question is x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. Don't cube it. Don't apply the formula of cube. Don't apply the formula of cube. See here, we know this identity. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we say that it is 3xyz. This is our identity. So we will take this. इसको capital X मान लें, इसको capital Y मान लें, इसको capital Z. Now I will check x plus y plus z. What is the value of x plus y? X की जगह क्या रखेंगे? X minus y. Y की जगह y minus z. Z की जगह capital Z है ये. Z की जगह z minus x. See here. This plus x minus x cancel, minus z, this cancel, this cancel. So what is the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 0? Then what is the factor? You can say that 3xyz. Now putting the values of 3, x की जगह क्या रखेंगे? x minus y की जगह y minus z, and z की जगह z minus x. This is the answer. Question 3. See here. If a plus b plus c is equal to 5 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 10, प्रूव करना है a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब minus 3abc is equal to minus 25. If I apply this identity, we know that what is a cube? इधर सीधा पूछ लिया है. What is the value of this identity? It is minus 25. It is minus 25. We know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This is the identity. We know the value of this and we know the value of this. We don't know the value of this. So first we calculate the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So we use the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Take out 2 common, ab plus bc plus ca. Now putting the values, what is a plus b plus c? 5 का square and a square plus b square plus c square अपन को फाइंड करना है plus 2. What is the value of this? 10. So 25, 5 into 5, 25. A square plus b square plus c square plus 20. This implies a square plus b square plus c square is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. So value of b square, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 5. Now putting the values, now we will get this also and this also put in this identity. So rewrite again a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to bracket a plus b plus c bracket a square plus b square plus c square. Take out minus common, ab plus bc plus ca. Now putting the values, a plus b plus c is 5 bracket a square b square, we calculated 5 minus what is the value of this? 10. So 5 into minus 10 is minus 5, so it is minus 25. So this we will prove it. Question 4. Find the value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 216 when x is equal to 2y plus 6. You have to find the value of this. इसकी आपको क्या निकालनी है वैल्यू? इसको रीराइट कर लीजिए. इसको this is given to you x cube minus 8y cube minus 36 minus 216 पहले लिख दीजिए minus 36xy. So इसको आप you can arrange in the form of this identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to क्या होता है 3xyz if यदि x plus y plus z is equal to 0 हो then you can write this. Okay, now see here x cube plus y की जगह ले लीजिए 2y minus का cube plus minus 6 whole cube is equal to minus 3x y z. If you multiply it, you will get 36xy. Now see here, it is given to you x is equal to 2y plus 6. Transpose this here, you will get x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. It means x plus 2y minus का plus bracket minus. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, you will get 3xyz. You will get 3xyz. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, and if I use this identity, what is this identity? X cube plus 2y cube plus minus 6 whole cube minus 3 x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to bracket x plus minus 2y plus minus 6 another bracket x square plus minus 2y square plus minus 6 square minus ab minus bc ca. Here you can see that this is 0. Here you can see that x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 into something is 0. The answer of this is x cube minus 8y cube minus 216 minus 36xy is equal to 0. This is 0. Question 5. If x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5, find number 1 x square plus 1 upon x square, number 2 x4 plus 1 upon x4, number 3 you can find x cube minus 1 upon x cube. You have find these values. This is given to you. We know that आइडेंटिटी लगाइए, स्क्वायर कर दीजिए x माइनस 1 अपॉन x होल स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड टर्म का स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, x into 1 upon x करेंगे तो दिस इज कैंसिल्ड आउट. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x minus 1 upon x, 5 का स्क्वायर, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Now 25 2 इधर आ गया, x square plus 1 upon x square. So 27 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. Now again we square these two. Squaring the above identity, squaring the above equation. 27 का स्क्वायर, इसको स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या आइडेंटिटी लग जाएगी, a स्क्वायर मींस x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2ab. So this will cancel out. 27 का स्क्वायर is 729 minus 2 is equal to x4 plus 1 upon x4. 727 is equal to x4 plus. So this is the answer. Okay, this is first part, this is second part. Now we know that for third part we know that x minus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is cancelled out. X minus 1 is 5 का cube is equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3. X minus 1 upon x is 5. So 25 is equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to minus 15. 15 come that side, it is 40 is equal to x cube minus 1 upon. First we square it, we will get 27 this. Now again square, you will get x4 plus 1 upon x4. Here we apply the identity of x minus 1 upon x whole cube.